So we're here with a brand new product. This is the Voyager Free 60 Plus from Poly. Let's open this up and see what comes inside. So we have some quick start guides helping you set this up. And then we have the actual device here, as well as underneath here we have a really thick manual, some guides and accessories. And then here it would appear we have like extra earbuds. This is really throwing me for a loop. Should pull here, I guess, right? Yep. So yeah, we've got one set of earbuds already inside the device. Clearly it's the large. Oh, nope, it just fell back. There we go. So you've got your large earbuds, you've got your small, and then of course you've got, I'm guessing the mediums are already inside here. You've got a quick start scan QR code at the top to help you out. And then this is the actual case. So you've got a couple cords. You've got this one here specifically for USB-C to phone, USB, and then you've got USB-C to aux cable. You've got your plug connector there on the back plate, and you've got a little button here, and that's going to turn on the actual case. That's cool. That screen is solid there. You got a QR code for setting it up. Skip the pair device for now. To open the pair later, open up the Bluetooth device. That's nice. You got your battery indicator. You got your setting indicators there. Bluetooth connection, play, settings, volume level. Oh wow, you got a power indicator. So this tells you how much juice is inside each of the items. So you can't see the other items just yet, not until you do the full setup. And then these are the actual earbuds. So they do connect with a magnetic thing to allow it to charge. You have a little spacer here in the middle that has the USB dongle to plug it directly into the computer. You can put that dongle back in here until you're ready to use it. But let's try out these earbuds real quick and just see how comfortable they are. Those are actually incredibly comfortable, and they actually are doing a really good job blocking out sound right now with how well they're filling in the ear hole. That's interesting. Yeah, no, that's great. That's awesome. I do love that it does have the USB connector, so you can plug this directly into, say, for instance, your devices that are still running with aux cords. Maybe your computer doesn't have Bluetooth or things like that. You just want to have that extra feature. You can connect it to the box, and the box will connect to the headphones, which is really solid. Very, very cool. It has a lock screen, so you can't mess up the settings on the headphones when you're using them. You just got to tap the lock 3 times, and that'll unlock it, getting you full access once again to all the settings. So we're going to take a second. We're going to set this up so you can see what it looks like when you're setting it up. Listen to some audio on this, and we'll be right back. Before we go, there's just a couple things I want to point out. On the earbuds, they've got really cool technology, not even to mention the stuff with the case that we already covered, but there's a button on it that you can use to toggle Google or Siri. There you can mute, play, pause on your music. They also have a swipe button on the top that allow you to adjust the volume, activate your noise cancellation and things like that. So it's really a solid like high-tech, amazing device just for on-the-go music listening, use at work, pretty much anywhere you need audio. This thing can be a Bluetooth transmitter. It can connect to a PC, connect to your phone. It's basically music wherever you need it. So hopefully you guys found that helpful, and we'll see you guys next time.